Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix can't connect to server on Brawlhalla. So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to open a browser, and then you need to just write Brawlhalla server status and look for down detector. And as you can see here, in this case now there is a lot of reported problems with a servers. So this means probably the problem is on the Brawlhalla servers itself. And so when you see this graph like this, you don't need to do nothing basically, but just wait until they will fix the servers. But if there is no outstanding reports, then we can proceed with other steps. So the first step, what I suggest to do here is to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you getting good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router. And then we can proceed with other steps. So first, go to view network connections, then find your internet connection. For me it's Ethernet, for you can be Wi-Fi, and then go to properties, go to and look for Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure this option is disabled for you. Then you need to go to Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes. Next up, open up CMD, make sure to open as admin, and then you need to put few commands here as well. First command is IP config space / flush DNS, one word, and another command is nesh space winsock space reset, right? After that, go to settings, on settings, go to network and internet, make sure VPN is not connected, then go to advanced network settings, look for network reset and reset your network by restarting your computer and pressing this button. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do nothing. After your computer restarts, your internet will work normally, and then check if the problem is solved or not. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.